In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a fully functional Clickbank account. And I know it can be difficult creating an account from banned countries. So I'm going to walk you through how to do everything step by step in this video. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. There are so many benefits that comes to working with Clickbank. And the first benefit is that Clickbank is the #1 marketplace in the world where you can have access to thousands of products that you can promote and start making passive income online. And as you can see for yourself, they've paid over $6 billion to affiliates. And as you can see, you can make money from this platform as well with affiliate marketing. And for those who are serious about making passive income and sustainable income with affiliate marketing, I highly recommend to check out the first link in the description, which is going to bring you to this page, and you can start making passive income online with affiliate marketing. So to successfully create a Clickbank account, we are going to be needing a couple of tools, which I'm going to be walking you through step by step in this video. So the very first tool we are going to be needing is an anti-detect browser. And there are numerous anti-detect browsers out there that you can use. Anyone you want to use is absolutely fine. But the one I personally use is multilogin.com, and I'm going to leave the link in the description. So all you need to do is to come over to the platform. You want to click on the Get Started button, and you'll be able to create an account right away. So once your account is created, you'll be able to create a profile like this. And for me, I'm going to name this profile Clickbank Example. Okay, so once you create a profile and you give it a name just to keep things organized, then you want to scroll down to this section that says Proxy. As just like I mentioned earlier in this video, Clickbank is not available in so many countries. So we are going to be creating Clickbank account from an acceptable country. I hope this makes sense. Okay. And to get a proxy that we are going to be using, there are numerous proxy providers out there you can use. But the one I use is nodemaven.com. And this is because they have a lot of high quality proxies in their database. So you can come over to this platform, and as you can see here, they have affordable plans, which you can then use to create an account on Clickbank, or you can come over here to click on the start trial, which you can also use to test out their proxy right away. So once you're in your dashboard, you want to come over to the location settings, and this is where we are going to select a country which we will be using to create this Clickbank account. And there are several countries that are acceptable by Clickbank, like United States, United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, and several other countries as well. But for this video, we are going to be using Austria to create an account. So you can type in Austria right here, and you'll be able to select this country. Okay, then you want to come over to region, as this is very important. And here you want to then make sure to select this Salzburg. So once you select this Salzburg, we are going to then come over to this section that says number of proxies. As you can see here, Nodemaven is going to automatically generate 5 proxies you can then use right away. So you want to then come over and copy these 5 proxies. And the next step is to then check the quality of these proxies before proceeding to create your account. And to do that, you can go over to your Mozilla Firefox browser, which is going to allow you to download this Pixel Scan extension. And this is the extension we are going to be using to check the quality of this proxy before we proceed to creating our account. Because if you use a bad proxy, then your account is going to be disabled right away. So once you download this extension by clicking on the first link, it's going to bring you to this page. And this is where you then want to paste in the 5 proxies from Nodemaven, and you want to click on check proxy. So if you do that, as you can see here, we want to go for only proxy that has 0 risk score, as you can see right here. So now we already know the second and third proxy have 0 risk score. So we want to go back to our account and make sure to select only that proxy. So you want to make sure to copy this proxy. So once you copy the proxy, all you then need to do is to go back to your anti-detect browser. And this is where you then want to paste in the proxy from Nodemaven, and you can click on this check proxy to see the quality of that proxy. All right, as you can see, everything looks good. All you then need to do here is to click on create profile. So now you then want to launch the profile. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page. As you can see here, this is our IP address, and Clickbank is going to assume we are from this country. Okay, so we are going to do a final check before we start creating our Clickbank account, and that is by going over to this website, ipa.com. And as you can see here, you want to make sure everything is trustworthy and everything checks out, okay, like this. All right, so the next thing you want to also do is to come over to pixelscan.net, and you want to make sure everything is consistent like this as well. Okay, it's very important you check this. So now that we know our proxy is clean, you want to go over to clickbank.com and you want to click out of this. Then you want to scroll down to where it says affiliates, and you want to click on start here as an affiliate. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and you want to click on skip this quick start guide. So once you do that, this is where you will then be able to create your Clickbank account. Okay, and this is very important. You must follow everything here correctly. If not, your account may get disabled. Okay, you want to come over here and select the country. So here you want to make sure to select Austria, and here you want to then type in a first name and last name. You want to make sure to type in an Austrian name. You don't want to type in a name from your country. And don't worry, you can come over to this website, which I'm going to leave in the description below, and you can use this website to generate an Austrian name like this. So once you come over here, you can click on this generate, and it's going to give you as many names as you can use to create an account right away. So for me, I'm going to take this name here as an example. So I'm just going to copy this name. So I'm going to paste in the first name and the last name like this. And the next step now is phone number. And to get a phone number, you want to go over to this website, smspva.com. And this is a website that is going to give us phone number we can then use to create our account. And keep in mind, there are a lot of free websites out there that give you phone number, but Clickbank already knows this website, and your account is going to get disabled if you use those virtual or those fake numbers. So coming over to this website, you are going to get high quality phone number that you can buy, and you can use it to create your account. So you want to come over to the service section, and you want to then click on search, and here you can type in WhatsApp or Viber. So if you type in any of these two, it's going to give you only high quality phone numbers you can use to create your account. So once you select Viber or WhatsApp, you want to then come over to country, and this is where you want to also select Austria. So here you want to select this, and as you can see, for 50 cents, you're going to get access to this phone number by clicking on this buy number. Okay, and keep in mind, you don't even need to buy the number. All you need to do is to click on it, and then you'll be able to copy this phone number. Okay, so once you copy the phone number by clicking on it, you want to go back to the sign up section. So you want to type in +43, which is the dialing code of Austria, and you want to paste in that phone number here like this. So this is all you literally need to do. And now the final step is your email address and password. So for the email, so when creating a Gmail account, it's very important to include keywords like venture, enterprise, partnership, and all that in your Gmail account. Is very important because Clickbank is going to check this. So basically, this type of account has higher score of getting approved as opposed to using your personal account. So as you can see here is an example of Gmail account you can type in right here like this. So you want to make sure you don't type in your name here. You just want to type in a random name, and then you want to include this type of keyword right here. So you don't want to type in a very strong password like this. You don't want your password to include any meaningful name, just random numbers, alphabets, and something like this, as you can see here. Okay, so this is the type of password you want to use. So once you type in your password like this, all you then need to do is to click on this button, continue to terms and conditions. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page where you can go through their terms and conditions. And then you want to come back to this page and click on join Clickbank. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page here, and you want to then click on no, continue to sign up. And then it's going to bring you here, and here you want to then click on download, suppression, list, and accept. And now finally, this is where you then want to click on complete my profile. So once you do that, this is where you then want to enter an address and zip code for your account before you can fully create your account. And now to get an address to use, I'm going to leave the link below. And if you come over to this website, it's going to generate addresses you can use from Austria to complete your account. So as you can see here, we have an address from Salzburg, which is where our IP address is from. So I'm just going to copy the street address, and then I'm going to paste in the street address here like this. And now you want to come over to the province section, and here you can select this Salzburg right here. And now you want to come over to city, and now you want to copy the city like this. So I'm just going to paste in the city right here. And now the final thing we need here is the zip code. You can come over here and copy the zip code like this. And I'm going to paste in the zip code here. And finally, you then want to enter your date of birth. Of course, I'm just taking this as an example. Okay. And here you then want to click on save. So as you can see here, everything is successful. And now we have fully created our Clickbank account. As you can see here, no problems at all. And now we can continue to finish creating our account. So the next thing you then want to do from here is to then create a username for your Clickbank account. And here you want to then come over here and select accounts. And here you want to then click on create a nickname. And you want to then make sure to come over to select account type. And you want to make sure to select affiliates. Like I said, we are going to be promoting products to make money from Clickbank. So once you do that, this is where you then want to type in a nickname. So here I'm then going to type in something like XBM100. So if I do this, as you can see, this nickname is available. And here you then want to click on sign up. And as you can see here, XBM100 created successfully. So this is all you really need to do. And you want to click on your nickname. So once you do that, it's then going to bring you to your dashboard. And this is where you are going to see how much you've earned today and whatever metric you want to check right here. Okay, and now before you can start promoting any product, you need to verify your account. Okay, and to do that, you want to then come over here to this section, and here you want to click on send a confirmation mail to your account, as you can see right here. So I'm going to click on this. So now you want to then make sure to click on OK. And now they are going to send a link to my email address to verify my account. Once you do that, you want to then go over to your email address where you are going to find that link. And now if you click on the link in your email, you're going to see this message, which is going to say, thank you, your email address has successfully been verified. You can now go over to the marketplace section and you'll be able to promote any product on Clickbank and start making money.